you want to save your Yahoo emails to your computer before accidental deletion, account issues, or mailbox corruption creates trouble? Then this video is for you. Today we will check out a reliable Kernel IMAP backup tool, a simple and secure solution to back up Yahoo Mail data locally in multiple formats. This tool helps users download and save bulk Yahoo mailbox data to local storage devices like PC, hard drive, USB drive, or NAS storage. The software exports Yahoo emails into PST, PDF, EML, MSG, DOC, DOCX, HTML, and MHT formats. How to back up Yahoo emails using the IMAP backup tool? Here is the step-by-step guide to back up your Yahoo emails locally. Download and install the Kernel IMAP backup software from the official website. Launch the tool and click on the backup option in IMAP backup tile. Click on Add to connect your Yahoo account. Enter your Yahoo account IMAP credentials and click Add. Select your account and click on Set Filter and Migrate. The software will start enumerating folders from your account. In the Filter selection window, review your mailbox, uncheck specific files or folders, or click on the cross icon to uncheck all folders. For now, we are going with one folder. Check Date Filter, exclude deleted folder, and exclude empty folders. Check Select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder, and enter a folder name to save all backed up data into the created folder. Set Operation Timeout and skip previously migrated items incremental to back up only the newly added data in regular backup processes. Finally, click I am OK, Start Migration. Select the output file as PST and check Split Output PST file after, and select the number at which you want your backup file. Click OK. Select the destination saving folder in your system and click OK. The software will start backing up all your Yahoo emails locally. The software will pop up Process Completed. Please save the report to CSV message. Click OK. Click on Save Report to CSV. Select Report Saving Location, enter your report name, and click Save to export a detailed backup report for audit. Finally, click OK to know more or download the software.